Well, she looks good tied up, and she didn't sink. So quite a bit of current.
Take man up with it, would he?
Yeah, more than happy to. I was just going to suggest I'll happily take your Seadoo. Give me something to ride for a minute.
Ah, I got bird shitted.
That's a lot of water on the ballast.
It's bloody sinking. That's sitting really low in the water. Like that's maybe what, 10 feet, 15 feet?
That's really low, yeah. Hell, it's actually below the freaking the line there.
Yeah, right?
I wonder what we've got to do. He's probably got to lift it up a bit because he'll drag the canal. You can only go so deep in the canal.
Yeah, true. And they've got a lot of water pouring out of it right here. There's a lot of water coming out, eh?
It's like a little pee hole on the side.
Yeah.
Gotta be. I'm guessing they're changing the ballast to lift it up slightly to get through the lock.
They even got a hatch open there. That's cool.
Yeah, no.
You can see right through it. Oh, what? So, like, see how it says 27? Like, 28 has got to be the lowest it can go, I guess. Let's see the.
I'm not going that door.
Oh, jeez.
That's like some of the Poseidon adventure.
Yeah, right?
You're not trying to get out.
Like, you can't even see the propeller.
No. It's really like, usually you see the tip of them just sticking out here.
Yeah, right? Alright, well, we're heading out of Port Colburn. Colburn?
Port Colburn.
Port Colburn. And we're going to head out. There's one ship coming out. Apparently there's another one coming in, but we're going to go that way. The graveyard. Well, here, there's a great example of height difference. That's an empty one.
It's virtually the same style of ship.
And that's the full one. Wow, crazy. Well guys, as you saw in that last little clip there, we've gone through under the Peace Bridge and through the rapids here on the upper Niagara River with a Seadoo switch. We survived. It wasn't that bad. Very little water actually came over. The real test will be going back up through them. We'll see how that goes, because it'll be a little bit more rough heading through. So we're gonna, before we get too far down the drift here, we're gonna head back up, and then we're gonna actually call it a day, start making our way back to the ramp and giving it the first try of taking the Seadoo switch out of the water. So all right, we're gonna head back up and get that looked after. All right guys, well, we've made it back to the ramp just right over there, so we're going to do the pulling the switch out next. Let's see how that goes, but that's pretty much going to wrap up the day for being out on the water. Update, we got, I don't know if you guys are going to be able, but we're at 5 hours already. We used almost the whole tank of gas, so now I'm going to actually take it to the gas station, fill it up, and see how much it takes to actually fill it up. But yeah, overall, I mean, great success. What a day on the water. You can't ask for anything better than this. Glassy water, good friends, great time. So, all right guys, we're gonna head to the ramp. We're gonna take it out, and then I'll maybe say something quick when we get off the water, and we'll wrap it up there. Okay, so let's see what we let's see how this taking the switch out of the water works. All right guys, well, we got the switch taken out, no drama, no issues. We got everything stored away, all ratcheted down, ran the engine, everything went great. So successful first trip. We got 5 hours on it, so that's great. Need another 5 to get the full break-in done. And what a beautiful day down here on Lake Erie, absolutely amazing. Thanks to these guys right here. Nigel, say hello. Woody, hello. Everyone, check out Nigel's video when it comes out. It's gonna be like a behind the scenes of kind of what we did. Who knows? We'll see how it comes out. And thanks again for watching this one. Thanks for making it through the winter. We've got tons more stuff coming this year, a lot of adventures, a lot of trips, so stick around for that. And just want to say again, thank you to everyone that's subscribed, everyone that's reaching out. Hopefully I'll get to run into you guys on the water this year. And yeah, we'll just have a good one. So till the next video, be safe out there. Peace.